So day 5, lick 5. The lick itself, actually flavoursome, I would say. This one basically uses the blues scale, starts off with a pentatonic, but you're using the blues scale. Let's just call it blues scale as we run through, and we're bringing in that flat 5 as we go through. Rather than going in with the 5th, we're going to go flat 5 to the 4 and then finishing with the octave on that root, which we're in B minor, for those that didn't know already. But the lick, I'll play it slowly to begin with, and then I'll play it slowly again at the end, as she knows. So I'll start again. So notice on the last part, we're going there. Could have easily have gone, but I think it just gives it a little bit more flavour, a bit more salt and pepper if you're going straight in with that blues note, as you would coming down on that 3rd string. Instead, we're just putting it onto the 5th string. Some people might not think about doing it that way, but there it is. Right, so breaking it down, we have a standard kind of cliche lick. Except this time, instead of going the 9 bend on your 3rd string straight to the 2nd string, then the 1st string, we're going from the 1st string to the 2nd string. Haha, controversial. Like that, and that's the 7th fret going to the 7th fret, using your 1st finger to roll across as you would in the opposite direction as well. Then you start the next part of, no, yes you do, you start the next beat with the 10th fret on your 2nd string, bending that. So, okay, brings it in like that. Then we have the 7th fret again on your 1st string, going to the 10 on the 2nd string, pulling off to the 7. So just those few beats are absolutely essential to you to learn, for you to learn even. Great lick, very Slash-like, I think. Then after you've done your pull off from the 10 to the 7 on that 2nd string, you're going straight to the 1st string, bending that full tone up and then letting it back down without hearing it, kind of Hendrix-like, except you're not going to stop it at the top, you're just going to bend it up and immediately back down for the next strike on that 10 with vibrato. So there you go, itchy leg. Then we start again with, this time, the cliche run, where you've got the 9 bend 3rd string. The 1st finger then rolls across from the 7 on the 2nd string to the 7 on your 1st string. Then it's 10 pull off to the 7, down the blues scale of 10, 9, 7 on your 3rd string, 9, 7 on your 4th string. This is the change. Instead of going to the 5th, we're going to the flat 5 of the 8th fret, which is going to be the F, to the E note of 7th fret 5th string, and then root note octave with vibrato on your 4th string. I'll play it slowly again, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Have fun with that one, and I'll hand you back to me to sign it off. See you tomorrow. Nice. So, as I said, the backing track is on my Patreon page, linked in that description and in the comment as well, pinned comment, and you can find that free. Yep, I know, Patreon free on the members area. You do have to sign up to become a member, I'm afraid, but I don't do all this for nothing, so it's one of those things where you can help me out by just becoming a free member. That would be really cool. And you'll find stuff on there from time to time that you might find useful as well. Now, if you do want the tab, that's also on there in Guitar Pro format and in PDF format. And that is enough. Apart from, please do subscribe, hit that bell button for all future notifications, and visit everything that you need to visit: TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I won't go on X because I don't really like it. There you go. All right, nice one. See you later, everyone, and I shall see you tomorrow for the next lick.